have 0.1. If you subtract 0.1 from 4 microfarad, you have 3.9 microfarad, which means 3.9 microfarad is still good. You can use 3.9 microfarad capacitor in the place of 4 microfarad capacitor. That is the meaning of the tolerance. Some capacitors, they have plus or minus 5%. Some have a tolerance of 5%, while some have a tolerance of 10%. So, with the digital multimeter, let's see how we can measure the value of this capacitor to see if we can have 4 microfarad or less or more. As you can see, my multimeter is in the off position. And you look here, this F, which stands for the farad, the unit for the capacitor. So I turn my multimeter to the farad. Now I leave it in 200 microfarad. Now, how do I plug my cables? When measuring the capacitor is different from measuring the voltage or the resistor. The black, as you can see, you put in the common like this, while the red, you don't put it in the volt ohm. No, we don't put it here. As you can see here, you see CX milliamp. You put the red in the CX in the milliamp. Now my multimeter is ready for measurement. I take my capacitor. As you can see, the conductors are already exposed. I put my red, and I put my black. You see, sorry, let me put it where. You see, I'm having 3.9